Hey guys, how to share someone's story to your story on Instagram. Open the Instagram and find the story that you want to share. Okay, tap the three dots or more option. Let's say for example, I want to open like this one, right? Click the three dots, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to add posts to your story if you have that option. If you don't, that means that this feature is not available in your region yet. And customize it if you wish, add text, stickers, etc. And then tap your story in to share it. Note, you can only share stories from accounts that have allowed sharing. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.